You don't even have to lift up her shirt. You know that her navel is somewhere here. Gastric is somewhere here. It's talking about hand behind. So it's really to push this way. What time did you eat just now? Have you had breakfast?
An hour, huh?
Okay, we'll do a pretend, okay? We'll do a pretend one. Okay, so it's 2 cm above the navel, hand behind, and upon taking a deep breath, breathe in, and sniff, 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 cough. Okay?
Okay. Sorry, I never coordinate.
We don't want your tantrum.
You can feel my.
Yeah. Okay, let's try. Okay? 2 cm, breathe in, cough that way. Yeah, cough that way.
Okay.
Breathe in. Oh shit. Don't make her laugh. Breathe in. And sniff a little bit more. And 3, 2, 1, cough.